Hello everybody, it's KeToMi Poppy here, and you're watching another episode of KeToMi Recipes. Guys, we are in for a treat today. I am going to show you guys how I make Nashville hot chicken. Let me go ahead and correct myself. This is keto Nashville hot chicken. It's juicy, it's hot, it's very delicious, and it's very great for your keto lifestyle. So let me go ahead and bring you guys up to speed. If this is your first time watching this channel, my name is KeToMi Poppy, and I simply make keto recipes that are going to help assist you in your keto journey, lifestyle. That way you can be able to enjoy foods that you normally love without the guilt. And I try to make these videos as simple as possible. That way it's not taking up too much of your time, and you can get an awesome, great recipe like we are going to get into today. If you guys like videos like this, go ahead and like, subscribe, and turn on the notifications bell. I really appreciate it. If you guys would do so, it really helps this channel out. Without further ado, let me bring you up to speed on what we got here. So what we have here is some chicken tenders we're going to be using. I had to marinate these, so you can marinate your chicken up to an hour, 30 minutes to an hour, but the longer the marinade, the better the marinade. So in this marinade, all I used was some buttermilk, 2 eggs, some cayenne pepper, my favorite hot sauce. You can use any type of hot sauce you like. This is type of tea I used. And I also used a hot banana pepper brine. This is optional. This is just to give my chicken a little bit more tenderness when cooking. So that's what I used. I marinated my chicken tenders overnight. So that's what we have going on here. Right here, this is going to be our breading station. It's going to consist of the 3 culprits that you see in front of you: the almond flour, the coconut flour, and some Parmesan cheese. I normally use some pork rinds, but a lot of people don't like pork rinds. So if you just want a little bit more crisp, or you actually just like the flavor of pork rinds, go ahead and add the pork rinds into your breading station here, and that'll be perfectly fine. The seasonings that we're going to be adding to our breading station are going to include some cayenne pepper, some smoked paprika, some Sazon seasoning, some salt. This is garlic powder, onion powder, and mustard powder. So first of all, we're going to go ahead and we're going to add our seasonings into our breading mix, just like this. And next we're going to go ahead and give this a nice stir. Just want to go ahead and incorporate all the seasonings together. This is going to give our chicken tenders a very nice color when they go into the deep fryer. This is going to be deep fried, if I haven't mentioned already. If you have a deep fryer, make sure to use a very healthy oil, like a beef tallow or a olive oil or avocado oil, or sometimes I've seen people use coconut oil for a deep fry. Those are the best oils I recommend. They work really well. If you don't want to deep fry your chicken wings, you can oven bake them. If you go to my channel, I have some wings that I made that were oven baked, and they were just as crispy. You can hit the card up top to see that recipe, how that works, but they come out just as fine. But today I'm gonna use the deep fryer just because it's gonna save on time. So what we're going to do is I'm going to grab my cooking rack here. Okay, and we're going to go ahead and we're going to bread our chicken and get them ready for frying. So in this process, you're simply going to just grab your chicken tenders, shake off excess with one hand. This is going to be the one dedicated hand to this process here. You're going to dump that chicken right there into the breading and get a nice even coat with your other hand and bread your chicken nicely, just like that. I am going to double bread these chicken wings just to get them more crispy. So I'm just going to give them a light toss right back into this batter here. not too much. And I'm going to go ahead and toss them right back into the batter here. This is going to give us that crunch that we're really looking for. And once I'm done with this process, I'm going to lay all of our chicken onto this cooling rack, and we're going to get ready for frying. I'll see you guys in a bit. And here we are. I am done breading our chicken tenders here. These were really easy to bread. And next, what we're going to do is we're going to get these nice and fried. I have my deep fryer preheated at 325 degrees. We're going to cook these in batches. We're not going to crowd the deep fryer. And we're going to be cooking these for at least 10 to 12 minutes for each set of chicken tenders. We want this to be fully cooked and really crispy. We'll be back when these are done, and I'll see you guys in a little bit. While our chicken tenders are frying, I'm going to go ahead and prepare our hot butter sauce. I'm going to be using a half stick of butter here. I have some brown sugar, some Cajun seasoning, cayenne pepper, paprika, and some sazon. And I'm going to go ahead and melt this down, and this is going to be what we're going to baste our chicken tenders with after they're done cooking. Alright, so our chicken tenders are nice and fried. I actually ended up cooking these for about 8 to 9 minutes max. I felt like these were already cooked around that time, so if you guys want them a little bit more crispy, I recommend go ahead and cooking them a little bit longer if you like, but I cooked mine for 8 to 9 minutes. And I have my hot butter sauce here ready to baste, and that is exactly what we're going to be doing right here. We're just going to go ahead and just get a very nice base on these hot tenders here, y'all. And after I'm done basting, I'm going to come back with a finished product. And guys, here is the final product here. Keto Nashville hot tenders. That's right. We did it, y'all, and we did it in very, very quick fashion. This is going to be absolutely delicious. I've had this before. I made a couple of sandwiches, I guess, if you want to call them, with some sola bread. I'll leave the link in the description below what type of bread this is right here. I also made a spicy mayo. Look for the ingredients in the description below. I'll leave the ingredients on what I put inside my mayonnaise. Guys, if you love videos like this, go ahead and like, subscribe, and turn on the notifications bell so you won't miss another KeToMi Recipes video. I'm going to go ahead and devour this on KeToMi Poppy's channel. You can find that link in the description below. Until next time, guys, I hope you guys have a very, very, very wonderful day and enjoy your keto journey. I'll talk to you guys later. Bye-bye.